Eminyeto nemwe ahari ekyo erikuganyura omu nteekateeka y'ibesere the skilling in agri-entrepreneurship for increased youth employment erikushagikwa aba embassy ya Netherlands kurabira mu Avis Foundation aba bagenda kutungura na munonga eminyeto eri hagati y'emyaka 18 na 30.
Yagomera turakwata amashagali fresh ebucket yamwe
okwigira jawab tumwebarize omwe omu program egi nagira ngo obunobwire eminyeto kurabira omu kuhinga n'okurisa barwanise obworo
kwa identifying ekyo rukwenda akucharete nagamba habituze nabyo nomuza kubireba nateko kwa kuronda ekyo iremu interest nashe ekyo rukora no kuna ngokore toka akora byo rito no kugira ngo ntwenda kushomesa icyo tukwatira kuno kugira ngo rizaje byashoma byinshi konkano basa kushara mu nyokanye nekazo kukanza kuri sembusi
bari twabaleta ku bench bakiga kureba apart from enterprises barakora bakabasa gukora hedi akagira icyo bayiga ushago buntu baby kawe yaratugire pururiga wakabitahigireho butumba ahigireho butumba akubari y'ikituje
emwamenyeto ekirafameji bahireyo ebiteekateko bya
nashemererwa kwija kuno habo kube binayegana byinji. First of all twaturatunga empunu konka zitari hamutindo nk'ogunareba, so we are going to improve like nk'ebiju ebyetu byabijya higuru konka ubu twakuta hansi. Then secondly no kuhinga n'ibituzi mazima byashemeza and of which in a short period
ehuru eki nekwetorora ihanga Uganda ng'omugumwe gukongera antunguka na munonga omumenyeto twaza omurushema abaana abishiki omu district egi bahigirwe okushoma n'amaani ebi n'ebindi bigambirwe obu director wa I&M abenahayo computer 16 ezibarirwemo miliyoni 40 ahishomero rya Masharika Girls kyongere kubahwera omu by'okushoma.
Screen. It's like telling someone how to drive a car and they're sitting in a classroom. You cannot drive a car unless you've driven a car. You can't work on a computer unless you've actually worked on a computer. And the skills that you will need by the time you get to university are going to be, everything will be on computer. You will not be handwriting any more of your assignments. Everything will be typed out.
I was listening carefully, and I listened as an OB, as one of the stakeholders of the school. I listened carefully, and one of the key words that came out from him and the rest of the team, we are beginning a journey.
Robina Orukura I&M Bank ayongeye kugamba abwachi echi achikozere.
Ladies, and the others are men, but in our IT we struggle. Lawyers, accountants we can find, but not systems engineers. And ladies, it's not the preserve of men. I've just met the most wonderful woman and she didn't even go to a big school like yourselves.
I want to thank you so much for what you did for Masharika Girls Secondary School when you donated to us all these computers. Before we had 16 computers and some of them were not functioning and the numbers of students were increasing day by day. So we had a challenge, especially whenever we would be having exams, like NAEB, would do so many shifts.
Joel Kachira owashomereho Masharika etakahindukire yishomero yabishiki nawe hariho ebyatugambere.
I told you earlier I passed here in the 80s. And I finished university without looking at a computer. I started working, we were filing money with archives, a lot of archives manually.
My appreciation, our gratefulness, and on behalf of the students, just like you've seen most of them in class, I think you've seen the excitement they showed you when you were passing by the classes.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Job Namanya na Sheikh Abdul Latif.